So this problem deals with solving problems with inequalities and writing them in interval notation. So the problem is 3x is less than x plus 2. So the first step to solve this problem is to subtract x or the variable on both sides. So in this case it would be x. So subtract x on both sides. And you would get 2x is less than 2. Then the next step is to divide 2 on both sides, so x will be by itself. So you divide by 2. And you would get x is less than 1. And this would be your answer, but to write it in interval notation, the next step to write it, write in interval notation is to first graph the inequality. So this would be your graph. Put the 0 here and the 1. And then you would write an open make an open circle on the 1 because you always write an open circle or draw an open circle if it is less than or greater than. So, but if it's less than or equal to or more or greater than and or equal to, you would make a closed circle, but this is less than, so it would be an open circle. And then the arrow would be pointing to the left because x is less than 1. So to write it in interval notation, you would put parentheses, negative, infinity, comma, and 1 in parentheses. And the reason you would do this is because infinity would always have a parentheses, and since the problem is less than, you would put a parentheses here too. So it would be a negative infinity because the arrow is pointing to the left. And if it were less than or equal to, you would put a bracket right here. But in this case it is less than, so that's how you solve. And this is your interval notation. So